It's time for the concrete pumpkin reveal. Hey everybody, Jeffrey here. It's been 29 days, so it's time to take the plastic containers that I've been using as molds for some concrete pumpkins that I made. I also made 2 pedestals out of these containers. One's a plant pot and a coleslaw container from the grocery store. Also are these 6 pie plates and some tea light candle holders. The pie plates and the pedestals, I'm putting them up under some plant pots I have out in the yard. But back here are the pumpkins. The bag said 28 days, but I think that's more for other things like patios, etc. But I'm just kind of going by that. But it's actually been one more day. The weather has been good. We only had one day under 48 degrees, which was last week. So I put these in the sun for the past 3 or 4 days, so they should be good. I also remember last year when I did 2 of them, they were kind of tricky to take off, so I did line them with some oil, just some cooking oil from the house. So we'll see how it goes. Haha, I think they turned out great actually. It took a little bit of coaxing to get them out of the containers. I used some scissors and the razor blade actually did the trick. When you're shopping, look for different faces. I might detail them up a little bit with a marker or something, because sitting out on the front porch they don't look as detailed, but these look really detailed compared to the ones that I've done. Anyway, I'll set them out on the front porch and maybe it'll scare somebody.